Right, ladies and gents, it's KP. Now starting up my GTI after the second rebuild. Just turned it over and something went pop around the intake area because I've had some issues where I haven't been getting a spark. So I've decided, seeing as this engine's kind of annoyed me enough, I'm not too keen on it. I think I'm just going to start it, well, see if it starts, despite the fact something's just gone pop. Maybe you can tell me what goes wrong. Whoa! And there we have our pop. Hopefully someone can help out with that because I have not a clue what that is. Thank you.